Welcome gamers! Today we have something extraordinary in store for you, the Acer Nitro gaming headset, II with flip to mute, ergonomic headband, foam earpads, compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, PS5, Xbox Series X and Xbox One. Stay tuned as we unveil the cutting-edge features that will revolutionize your gaming experience. The Acer Nitro gaming headset II is packed with incredible features that will enhance your gaming communication like never before. It seamlessly connects to PS5, PS4, PC, Xbox Series X and Xbox One, ensuring you stay connected across all your gaming platforms. The noise-cancelling technology eliminates background distractions, allowing your teammates to hear you loud and clear, and ensures smooth in-game communication. The integrated controls on the headset allow you to adjust the volume and mute the mic easily, giving you complete control over your gaming experience. Let's talk about some benefits. With the Acer Nitro gaming headset IE, you'll enjoy an unparalleled gaming chat experience. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure maximum comfort during extended gaming sessions. Say goodbye to tangled wires as the wireless connectivity lets you move freely while staying connected. Experience immersive audio that allows you to hear every footstep, gunshot, and teammate call out with crystal clarity. Acer Nitro gaming headset II brings a new level of realism to your gaming adventures, enhancing your overall gameplay and performance. Let's talk about the pros of product. Firstly, the noise-cancelling technology ensures that your voice is the only one heard, eliminating background disturbances and enhancing communication during intense gaming sessions. Secondly, the wired design gives you the freedom to move around without being tethered to your gaming setup, providing an unrestricted and comfortable gaming experience. Now let's discuss the cons. The Acer Nitro gaming headset I have limited compatibility with certain gaming platforms, so it's important to check its compatibility with your specific device. Don't miss out on the incredible Acer Nitro gaming headset II. Elevate your gaming communication to a whole new level and experience the power of seamless, clear, and immersive chat with your friends and teammates. Click the link in the description to get your own Acer Nitro gaming headset II today. Thank you for joining us today to discover the Acer Nitro gaming headset II. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting gaming content, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming!